What are the challenges that companies face when they're going through a merger process besides limited resources is oftentimes they're focusing on just getting the transaction done. And so that's all about risk assessment, understanding where the risks are. But part of that risk assessment is how much time and cost is it going to take to do XYZ review. It's not as daunting as a lot of people often think when you're looking for potential collusive markers into price fixing, market allocation, bid rigging, or no-poach situations. There's some analytics that can be done on the data that's already being used as part of some of the transaction prep. So it's really about taking the right lens on that and bringing that to are you answering the question of, am I paying the right price for these assets versus do I understand really all the risks associated with the liabilities of those organizations?
What we often see is that companies that are looking to acquire other entities are utilizing data to assess the financial health of the company. That same data that is already existing within the walls of the target company can also be utilized with the right experts and level of understanding to identify potential antitrust risks.
There are a lot of things that you can do both in the pre-merger diligence space as well as just running a really good compliance program at your company that you can leverage data analysis, and it doesn't have to be a boil the ocean situation. There's a happy medium that can be achieved. It's incredibly important to engage with stakeholders and subject matter experts when designing the analytical program. Ultimately, that's going to lead to better desired outcomes as well as more framework and structure around how the project proceeds. Without that, especially within the compliance department, you're not going to get the full value of the analytics if you're just going in as a silo. And so it's a really good opportunity from the merger perspective to leverage a lot of the commonality and the common issues that the teams are talking about, but to merge them in from a risk perspective.
Our experts have significant experience in helping companies put together the right type of review program and platform that incorporates the use of the company's own data.